Hey guys, Bill the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome back to another edition of Flock Tales. And this time we're going to make 3 different tequila cocktails. And I'm going to do them all with Pantalones Tequilas. So we'll do one with a Blanco, one a Reposado, and one an Añejo. So no matter what kind of tequila you prefer, I've got a drink for you. And let's get started with the Blanco. Our first drink is absolutely one of my favorites. It's called ranch water. Might be the easiest drink in the world to make, and you build it in the glass. It only has 3 ingredients: tequila, lime juice, and seltzer, club soda, or sparkling mineral water. My actual favorite way to make this is with Topo Chico, but it's raining cats and dogs outside, and I don't have any Topo Chico, so we're going to use club soda. We're going to start with 1.5 ounces to 2 ounces of your Blanco tequila, depending on how strong you like your drink. So I generally go ahead and do the full 2 ounces straight into the glass. Next, you need 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. If you don't have limes and you don't want to squeeze the juice, you can use juice out of a bottle. I would recommend that you use actual lime juice. Don't use the green little limes that you find at the grocery store. Something like an organic lime juice that you'd find at a good liquor store or even Whole Foods. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And I'm just going to top this off with seltzer, club soda, or Topo Chico if you happen to have some handy. And then take your bar spoon and just give it a soft stir. And I like to dress mine with a fresh cut lime wheel. That is ranch water, and it's one of my favorites. Our second drink, our Reposado drink, is a red grasshopper. I have no idea why it's called a red grasshopper, because it's not red. I don't know. Anyway, the ingredients here are really simple. We've got a Reposado tequila, honey syrup, which is going to be made from 1 part honey, 1 part warm water. The honey I'm using is actually natural honey here locally from a friend of mine who has his own beehives, mainly because if you're going to use honey, you've got to get the health benefits out of it and help with your allergies. Lime juice, and then last but not least, paprika. Yeah, I know it sounds weird, but I guess that's where the red comes from. The first thing I do is make honey syrup, and you can keep this in your refrigerator. Actually, you can keep it behind your bar for up to about 2 or 3 weeks without it going bad, because it's just honey and water, as long as it's a sealed container. So we're going to use 3/4 ounce of our honey syrup. Next, 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. As always, you can substitute lime juice that's in a bottle as long as you're using a real product and not that concentrated frozen garbage. I think I said 1/2 ounce of lime juice. I actually used 3/4 ounce. You can use up to 1 ounce, but quite frankly, 3/4 is plenty. The lime can be overpowering. The last thing you need is 2 ounces of your Reposado tequila. In this case, Pantalones Reposado Tequila. You're going to want to shake this. You're going to strain that into a coupe glass. Mine happens to be a Flamingo. I mean, why not? You can double strain it if you'd like, but quite frankly, it's not necessary. It's not like there's going to be that much pulp in fresh squeezed lime juice. You did it right anyway. Strain that straight into the glass. And then you're going to sprinkle just very little of paprika over the top to give it that red color. And that is a red grasshopper. I have no idea why. Sure does taste good though. Really good. Our third drink with the Añejo is the simplest one of them all. These are all really easy drinks to make, but this one is called the Matador. 3 ingredients: Añejo tequila, lime juice, pineapple juice. Use good pineapple juice. It does matter. With our Añejo Pantalones, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of tequila. a half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, 2 ounces of good pineapple juice. I'm using Lakewood pure pineapple. You can use whatever you like. Just keep in mind, the better the pineapple juice, the better this is going to turn out. We're going to shake this one. This really should be served up in a martini glass. I'm going to use this crazy looking Flamingo martini glass because, again, why not? It doesn't need to be double strained. Just strain it off right into the glass. Like so. You can serve this with a pineapple wedge. You can serve it with a lime wedge. You can serve it just like it is. Whatever makes you happy. The Matador. So there you have it. 3 drinks, all made very quickly with simple ingredients, and all made with Pantalones Tequila. I really like Pantalones. You get that honey essence flavor in all these tequilas that just is really, really pleasurable to me. If you have a preference as tequila, use any tequila you like. Just remember, Blanco for ranch water, Reposado for your grasshopper, and Anjeo for the Matador. Until next time, eat and drink fabulous. If you have something you'd like me to make, whether it be food or a beverage, if you have a question about anything I've done here today or on any video, feel free to drop me a line, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. And of course, please subscribe, like, and share this video. And I look forward to seeing you for the next one. Have a great day.